In this tutorial video, I'm quickly going to show you how to change your Snapchat username. This is going to be a real quick and easy video, so let's get right into it. Chat section of your Snapchat, you simply tap on your Bitmoji or your profile icon on the top left of the screen. And after you do that, you again tap on the settings or this gear icon on the top right. Now here it's going to give you your name and your username. Tap on the username option. Now the one thing that you need to know is Snapchat only allows you to change your username once every year. So if you have changed your username within a year, you won't be able to change it. But if you haven't, you can tap on change username and tap on continue. Now you can type and remove anything that you want. And if the username is free, it will say the username is free right here, and you can tap on next. Make sure you type it in carefully because you won't be able to change it again within a year. I won't be changing mine, but if you tap on next, your username will be successfully changed. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to subscribe, share, and give this video a thumbs up. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.